Welcome back to our channel where we break down the path to various healthcare careers. Today, we're exploring the journey to become an ultrasound tech in the United States and answering the burning question, how long does it take? What is an ultrasound tech? First, let's clarify what an ultrasound tech does. Ultrasound techs, or diagnostic medical sonographers, use high-frequency sound waves to create images of the inside of the human body. These images help physicians diagnose medical conditions. It's a rewarding and in-demand profession. Education requirements. To become an ultrasound tech, the journey typically begins with education. Most aspiring ultrasound techs pursue an associate's degree, although some opt for bachelor's degrees. Let's delve into the timeframes. Associate's degree path. If you choose the associate's degree route, you can expect to spend about 2 years in school. This duration includes general education courses and specialized sonography training. Bachelor's degree path, for those aiming for a more comprehensive education and broader career opportunities. A bachelor's degree in sonography can take approximately 4 years. This route includes additional coursework and a deeper dive into the field. Clinical training. But it's not just classroom learning. Both associate's and bachelor's programs include clinical training. This hands-on experience is crucial and can take several months to a year to complete. Certification. After completing your education and clinical training, you'll need to get certified. In the USA, the American Registry for Diagnostic Medical Sonography, ARDMS, is a common certifying body. The time it takes to prepare for and pass the certification exam can vary, but it's an essential step in your journey. Continuing education. Once you're a certified ultrasound tech, your learning journey isn't over. Continuing education is required to maintain your certification and stay up to date with advancements in the field. This typically involves attending workshops, seminars, and online courses. Conclusion. So, in summary, the path to becoming an ultrasound tech in the USA can be broken down like this. Associate's degree, approximately 2 years. Bachelor's degree, around 4 years clinical training, several months to a year. Certification, time varies, but it's essential. Continuing education, ongoing. Final thoughts. Keep in mind that program lengths and requirements can vary from one school to another. It's essential to research accredited programs in your area and connect with professionals in the field to gain a better understanding of the exact timeline that suits your goals and circumstances. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the steps to become an ultrasound tech in the USA. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Tech is Wealth for more informative content on healthcare careers. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious.